you enter into the university for the first time, you are entering into year 1, and you'll be introduced to a wide range of areas in your field. And then year 2, the subject areas will become bit narrowed and specified. So you will be learning more about certain things. So you start thinking more critically. And year 3, your lecturers expect you to be more critical, be more analytical, and evidence that in your writing, and show that you read from wide range of sources, credible sources. When I say criticize, it doesn't mean that you're showing only negative bits. You need to bring the positive side of it as well. So you basically compare 2 sides of the story and showing which one is based on what.
So a great piece of advice for moving up to the next level is to reflect on the past year, what your practices were, and look at your feedback and try to think how you can change that and make an action plan going forwards.
So marking can sometimes be subjective, which means that maybe you need to ask your lecturer about what they expect from you. If you want more information about academic writing, go to the skills guides on the library pages under Finding Subject Information.
If you want any help with moving to the next level, you can always book an appointment with one of our skills advisors. To do so, use the link that is in the description of this video.